Islamic State video purportedly showing the beheading of a man identified as British taxi driver Alan Henning emerged on Friday night. The video on a social media website couldn't be independently verified by Reuters. Henning was abducted when a convoy he was with, taking medical supplies to a hospital in Syria last December, was stopped by gunmen. On Saturday, the United Nations condemned Henning's killing.
The members of the Security Council strongly condemned the heinous and cowardly murder of Alan Henning, a volunteer British humanitarian aid worker, by the Islamic State of Iraq and the Levant. This crime is a tragic reminder of the increasing dangers volunteer humanitarian personnel face every day in Syria. It also, once again, demonstrates the brutality of ISIL, which is responsible for thousands of abuses against the Syrian and Iraqi people.
Another hostage in the same video was introduced as American Peter Edward Kasich. U.S. officials said they had no reason to doubt the video. Kasich's family confirmed in a statement the 26-year-old was taken captive while doing humanitarian work in Syria.